The beautiful Tripura is a tiny state compared to other states in India. It is the third smallest state in India after Goa and Sikkim. It is situated in the northeastern part of India. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. There are 8 districts and the area is 10,491.69 square kilometer. The state Tripura is known as one of the oldest kingdoms ruled by a series of 184 kings as per the Rajmala, the Chronicles of Tripura. During British period, Tripura continued to maintain its separate entity as a princely state and was known as Hill Tipra or Independent Tripura. The land is surrounded by picturesque hills and valleys, dense forests and lush fields with rich flora and fauna. Boramura, Atharamura, Longtharai, Shakhantang, Jampui and Deutamura are the major hills in Tripura. The rivers Kumoti, Haura, Khuai, Dholai, Monu, Muhuri, Dheu and Juri are the major rivers. Among them, Gumoti is the principal river of the state. The various tribal groups are the owner of the jungle environment in their own dominant and habitat areas. The hills and mountains and beautiful rivers provide food and shelter to the indigenous group of people since the time immemorial who resides in the foothills and river banks. They have their own groups, clan, lifestyle, unique identity, customs, traditions and culture which they maintain from preceding generations. Nowadays, due to the contact with the outside world and influence of modernization, people are more reluctant about their own culture, food habits, dress and ornaments, which is almost dying in all the tribal clans. There are 19 tribes in Tripura. Among them, some of the major tribes are Tripuri, Riang, Jamatia, Halam, Noatia. The major languages spoken in Tripura are Kokborok and Bengali.